You know I came up in a small town, couple trees and a creek we could float down. They must have seen when you look around. Just farms for miles, and you can find me riding around on some 33s, a cock back kicking dirt on my John D's, international harvesting of some whole wheat. Yeah, let's take a ride.
Just living the farm life. Yeah, we're living the farm life. Little back road swagger, that's how we roll. We plow it and we plant it and we drive it real slow in the farm life. Just living the farm life.
We waking up in the morning before the sun does, feed the cows and the chickens and the ducky ducks. Ain't got a lot, but we got enough. Yeah, you know what's all about. Touching dirt with your bare hands, fixing up, taking care of your family land. Wife it up, become a family man. Ooh, just settle down.
Just living the farm life. Yeah, we're living the farm life. It's county life, simple, don't complicate it. Big city living, no, it's overrated in the farm life. Yeah, living the farm life.
Drink some shine, get a little sauce. Get your girl, kick it back, kick your boots off. Maybe wake up in somebody else's hayloft. If you know what I mean.
I do.
We could park it out there on the tailgate. Talk about nothing till the day breaks. Amarillo by morning by George Strait. Yeah, we got it on repeat.
Just living the farm life. Yeah, we're living the farm life. Out here we know how to treat a girl